before the start. What? Camera's right there. Is he not?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Excellent start by all 9 cars. They're all across the line without crashing, with the exception of Jess and Molly. Tony and Mike are the only two across the line out of the grid spot. This is an 8-minute race. The early lead is Bub. Bub is the gold car on the backstretch, and behind Bub is Jake. Third place is Eric. He started fourth, he moved up 1 spot. DJ moved up 1 spot. Mike moved up 1 spot. Mike Burke is in. Now he's dropped to 6th. Tony, Jared, Molly 7th. 8 and 9. Jared's hung up. Behind it, okay, he's clear. Oh, Jared and the leader, Bob, are tangling side by side. As they work to the infield, Bud gets around him as Jared tags the wall and goes wide. So Bud in second place. Jake is second place. Jake is only 1.0 seconds back. Oh, Bud gets around Mike Burke cleanly. That puts Bud on the backstretch in first. Jake in second place with Mike in the middle. Bud takes the wall, checks up slightly. Mike goes wide. Jake goes inside, gets around it. Jess in third place. Eric in fourth. DJ's in fifth. Oh, a tangle in the infield, upside down with Tony. Eric gets around him. Jared's right there. Jared tangles with him. Oh, slid. Nick, turn around. Molly's upside down, slid hard into the wall. Bub has some lap traffic. Tony's right in front of him. Keeping his car as wide as he can. Bub goes outside. Oh! That's the lead. Turn around, Nick. Turn around, Nick. Hold up, Tony. All right, Tony, go. Thank you. Nice stop and wait penalty there. Oh, and he crashes himself into the wall. Ouch. Got in the marbles, got loose, and went sideways. 6 minutes remaining. Laps are complete. Jake has the lead, followed by Bud. Third place is Jasper, followed by DJ. Eric is in fifth. Mike Burke 6th. Jared, Tony, and Molly 7, 8, and 9. Oh, Jake threads the needle between Molly and